In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts from an Excel spreadsheet to MailChimp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so your list is ready to email without any hassles. Before we jump in, a quick prep tip. Make sure your spreadsheet is tidy. One row per contact, clear column headers like email address, first name, and last name, and no blank rows. Also confirm you have permission to email everyone on the list. MailChimp works best with CSV files exported from Excel, so if your sheet is in .xlsx, consider saving a copy as .csv for the smoothest upload. Once you're in your MailChimp account, head to the main navigation and click Audience. This is the home for your contact lists. If you manage more than one audience, glance at the audience name in the corner to ensure you're adding people to the correct place. Keeping audiences consistent reduces duplicates and makes segmentation easier later. Next, click Add Contacts. This is the option designed for bringing new people into your audience. You'll see choices for adding a single contact or multiple. Since we're working from a spreadsheet, we'll use the import route. Choose Import Contacts. Importing is ideal for bulk updates because it lets MailChimp read your columns and prepare them for fields like email, name, and more. It also helps preserve data structure and reduces manual entry errors. On the import method screen, select Upload a File. This tells MailChimp you'll be providing a file from your computer rather than pasting rows or connecting an app. If your file has special characters or international names, using UTF-8 encoding in your CSV will prevent odd symbols from appearing. Click Continue to move into the uploader. You'll land on a simple screen where you can drag and drop your file. Go ahead and drag your spreadsheet file into the upload area or use the browse button if that's easier. A quick best practice: make sure the first row of your file contains your column headers, not a contact. That helps MailChimp recognize fields automatically. From here, follow the on-screen prompts to review how your columns are recognized and confirm your choices. If you spot anything off, you can adjust before finalizing. When everything looks correct, complete the import and give MailChimp a moment to process. For larger files, it may take a bit and you'll see a confirmation when it's done. That's it. You clicked Audience, Add Contacts, Import Contacts, Upload a File, Continue, and then dragged in your spreadsheet. Your contacts are now on their way into MailChimp, ready for your next campaign.